Breaking news coming in of Donald Trump putting out this post saying that the United States of America has successfully carried out a large-scale strike against Venezuela and its leader, who has been, along with his wife, captured and flown out of the country. The operation was done in conjunction with the U.S. law enforcement. Details to follow. There will be a news conference today at 11 a.m. at Mar-a-Lago. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Is what Donald Trump Jr. has. This is what Donald Trump has gone on to say. The President of the United States, Donald Trump, putting out that post. Vishal Vivek, my colleague, joining us. Vishal, after 7 strikes were heard at 2 a.m. local time in Venezuela, it's Donald Trump taking responsibility for those strikes.
Yes, and this comes at a time when we've heard several explosions across Caracas, which is the capital of Venezuela. We've reported that at least 7 explosions have happened across the city and the southern part of the city in total darkness. Now we have the reason behind these explosions. Donald Trump himself has gone on social media and accepted that U.S. has conducted these operations, and this doesn't really come as a surprise because the U.S. had been expected to carry out these operations. The U.S. was in direct touch with, there was a direct connection between both sides because the U.S. had been threatening the Venezuelan side for months now that there will be some operation. We had seen glimpses of it in the recent past. About 7-8 days ago, there was a strike on the harbor of Venezuela. The territory of Venezuela had already been attacked. This is the attack in the heart of the capital, and the biggest military installation has also been attacked by the U.S. side. What kind of damage has been done, that remains to be seen. Probably that will be explored when the news conference happens. That is expected around 10 p.m. in New Standard Time. Then we'll hear what exactly happens, and then we'll have more details. But these seem to be
leader of Venezuela, the president and his wife have been captured and they've been flown out of the country.
Yes, so that is what the U.S. president has reportedly claimed. We'll have to wait for confirmation on some other level also, because since Venezuela has been, ruled over by the Maduro government for almost 12-13 years, he rules with an iron fist. Whether he's been rooted out so easily, that remains to be seen. But if the U.S. president is claiming that, then that seems to be the case. That would be the biggest upheaval in South America in decades or so, because the U.S. had been involved in many operations in the South American continent in the last few decades. In the last 4 or 5 decades, there have been many regime changes in which CIA had reportedly been involved. What kind of operations were undertaken to overthrow him, that all remains to be seen. What kind of damage has been done.